Once upon a time, there was a poor but honest boy named Ali. He lived in a small village with his family. One day after school, he was waking home. Suddenly, he found a wallet on the road. He picked it up and opened it. Inside, there was a lot of money and an ID card. Ali thought, "I need money, but this wallet does not belong to me." He looked at the ID card and found the owner address. Then he went to the owner house. The owner was very worried because he had lost his wallet. When Ali returned it, the owner was surprised and very happy. He said, "Thank you for your honesty. You are a wonderful boy." The owner offered Ali some money as a reward, but Ali smiled and politely said. The owner blessed Ali and praised him for his honesty. Ali went to home with a happy heart, knowing he had done the right thing. Honesty is always the best policy. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Support our channel.